Jackson County Library System to show you our April kit for kindergarten through 4th graders that we're able to provide for you completely free with a partnership with Jackson County 4-H. So you can give us a call at any of the 3 libraries to reserve one and get one picked up. And once you do, you can start creating your very own Loom Bowl. So what you're gonna get in your kit are those instructions, a ball of yarn, and a plain white paper plate like this. You're gonna wanna grab, before you start, a pair of scissors and a pencil, as well as something to color with, whether you want crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you want to get started to color with. So step number 1 is you're gonna take your plain white paper plate like this that I've cut up for you and made it ready to weave, and color in the bottom. So you could color it just one plain color, put a picture on there, whatever you want to color on here. So you have something that looks like this. So I put a little flower picture on there, and now that's going to be the bottom of my bowl, so it's not just a plain white color. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold these flaps all the way in. So I'm just going to fold all of these all the way around. And you're just going to fold all the way up to the little triangle, the end of that triangle there. Fold. This is going to make it so it'll hold up better to make our bowl. So this is sort of prep work before we start weaving. And again, first you're going to color that picture, then you're going to do all of that folding. And now you can already see it's starting to get that bowl shape as it's up here like this. Then you're going to grab your ball of yarn and kind of start unrolling it here. And you're going to stick this through one of these little V's. You can see I've left around an inch, inch and a half just hanging out there. And you're going to hold that down with one hand, and then you're going to start weaving. And to weave, you basically go over and then under. So I'm going over this one, hold that down, and under, and then back over, then under. So as you can see, I'm just kind of going back and forth here. And you want to keep these sort of up, because if you let them go all the way flat again, you aren't going to have a bowl shape. So you just keep going around and you go. So I'm still going over. Now I'm under, over. And I've made it all the way around. I'm just going to pull this tight again because it loosened a little there. And you just keep doing that. Keep going over and under each flap, and you just circle around. And every once in a while, you'll want to pause and kind of push down as you get these layers to make sure they're nice and tight and you aren't seeing the white of your plate underneath. So as you can see, I'm trying to keep these flaps standing up as I go under, over, under, over. So I'm starting to get a layer in there. Under, over, under, over. So you just keep doing that, and I'm gonna put it into fast mode here because this part will take you a while, and you're gonna keep going over and under until you get about 1/8 of an inch from the top of these little flaps. So you're gonna keep going, and it's gonna use up most of this yarn that you've got. So you keep weaving, and I'm gonna go into fast forward mode, and I'll show you what it looks like once you get close to the end. Okay, we have all that weaving done, and we're up to about just 1/8 of an inch there from the top that we've got left. So now we're going to, if you have any extra yarn here, you can cut so you're down to about 1 inch, 1.5 inches of yarn, just like you had at the beginning. So you're just gonna take your scissors and trim that. Then we need to fold over this top part so it'll hold the yarn on there. So you're just gonna take it and fold it over. And fold that. And this will make sure the yarn doesn't slip off while you're going. And if you want, you could take your crayons or your markers, whatever, and color this white so it blends in with your yarn. Okay, we've got that all folded. Now we're gonna push these in. So I'm gonna take this, you kind of see, I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna push it down behind the yarn. So now that end is hidden. I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna put it behind this one. So I got it there and use my pencil and push that in there. So now that's hidden behind there. And we have a finished bowl. So you've got your little picture inside, you've got it all woven, and you are good to go to start putting stuff in there with your very own bowl that you created. If you want to get your kit, again, they're completely free. The Jackson County Library System creates them with Jackson County 4-H. You can pick them up at any of our 3 libraries, the one in Jackson, Lakefield, or Heron Lake, and the number's gonna be on the screen right after I get done. So you can just give us a call and then you can pick up your very own kit and make your own loom bowl. Have fun!